For every serious workplace injury, there are 300 near misses. Most of them never get reported. Every unreported near miss is a free lesson your organization refused to take. A near miss is an unplanned event that did not result in injury or damage, but had the potential to do so. Whether it's a tool drop or a chemical splash, relying on luck is not a safety strategy. The scale of the problem is massive. 3 billion near misses occur annually in U.S. workplaces alone. 78% of serious incidents were preceded by one or more unreported near misses. Ratios vary by industry, but the pattern is the same. In construction, it's 300 to 1. In manufacturing, it's 600 to 1. A serious incident is never a surprise. It's the end of a long chain of unreported events. Why don't workers report? Fear of retribution, complex reporting systems, and the feedback black hole where reports are submitted but never heard from again. Every unreported near miss removes a layer of protection. Over time, workers become so accustomed to a hazard that they no longer see it as a risk. This is the normalization of deviance. When organizations fix their reporting systems, the results are clear. We've seen a 400% increase in reports, leading to a 70% reduction in incidents. More reports mean your team is finally talking to you. Building a reporting culture requires 4 steps. Adopt a non-punitive policy, simplify the reporting mechanism, close the loop within 24 hours, and publicly recognize the reporters. Stop measuring safety solely by the absence of injuries. Lagging indicators tell you who already got hurt. Leading indicators, like near-miss reports, give you time to act before a human cost is paid. The gap between what happens on site and what gets written down is where the next serious incident is forming. Close the gap, report everything, fix what you find, everybody stays healthy. Thank you for your commitment to safety. Let's close the gap together.